In this video today, I'm going to go into a product that we use to clean down headliner boards that normally would have an issue with getting nice and clean on the surface ready for a brand new material. So our usual approach would just be a handheld brush. Also, we might use the cordless drill with that little orbital nylon attachment and basically just to brush it off really clean and tidy, air blower. But sometimes you do deal with headliner boards that have this kind of like a fluffy type of surface, and they just have these little sticky compounds stuck to the board like dried up pieces of foam or glue, and it just keeps moving around almost like chewing gum stuck in hair or something. So what we use in those scenarios is this Aussie Lint Roller. I would highly suggest this brand because this guy is local and he's actually designed his like adhesive tape to be like, work really well. So I haven't tried any other brands, but I've heard from some family members, because now that I'm aware of this product, they have a lint roller on their kitchen countertop or something that they might be using for, say, pets, and they reckon it doesn't work that well. And I said, well, I'll get you onto this one as well, because this one works really well. So I've used it on like t-shirts and you can clean your carpets and stuff. But what we usually use it on is just headliners, or also cleaning up fabric orders as well. When we're laying out a brand new piece of material, headliner fabric, it might have some fluff or stuff stuck to it. We just use the lint roller. But yeah, ideal to clean up these headliner boards as well. We usually would see this issue with maybe Nissan Pathfinder and the Land Rover Freelander models, a few other models as well, where they just have this headliner board where once you're brushing it off with that handheld brush or the air blower, things are just not moving off the board. It just keeps moving around from one section to another. So you didn't need something like this, like a lint roller. And yeah, if you're after this product, the one that we recommend, just check out our link in the description below, and that will just take you to his website. And then maybe you can just follow where he's where he sells it. Sometimes it might be like local brands like Pet Stock, or you can just buy it directly from him. Works perfectly, and you can just peel off a new layer and away you go again. I think for most headliner boards, I maybe go through about 4 sheets of this stuff. It does last for a long time, even though it fills up really quickly. It just keeps staying sticky, and it just keeps picking up, and that layer of gunk on those that little lint roller roll itself just gets really caked and full, but it still works. So it gets the board really super clean, ideal for brand new material to go over the top without any bumps and imperfections. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Catch ya.